Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Tonight, the mist is rising over Camp Crystal Lake, and we're summoning a cute Chibi version of Jason Voorhees. Grab your drawing tools, and maybe keep a flashlight close, because this one's gonna be adorably terrifying. Let's start with the eyes. Place two huge, shiny eyes low on the mask, almost at cheek level. He has a big, round head. That's the signature of the Chibi style. Draw Jason's hockey mask as an oval, slightly wider at the top, with smooth, soft curves instead of sharp edges. Jason Voorhees first appeared in the early Friday the 13th films, and though he wasn't the original killer, he quickly became the face of the franchise. His iconic hockey mask didn't even appear until the third movie, and it became one of horror's most recognizable symbols. Fans have reimagined Jason in every way possible, from terrifying slasher to tiny plushie. So why not a cute Chibi version to celebrate Halloween? I want to know, who should be next in our spooky season lineup? Tell me in the comments, which monster or villain deserves a Chibi makeover next? Remember, you can pause the video whenever you need and take a screenshot of any tricky frame. It's great to use as reference later. Add small red triangles and black dot holes to suggest the mask's texture, but keep them evenly spaced for a balanced, cute look. If this little Jason made you smile, or maybe sent a tiny chill down your spine, leave a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next Halloween drawing tutorial. Share this video with a friend who loves creepy cute art. Let's spread the Halloween spirit one sketch at a time. Keep the body tiny, about 1/3 of the head's height. Sketch the classic green shirt and brown pants, but make everything simplified and round. Avoid sharp corners. Soft lines make him look more charming than chilling. Draw his little hands like mittens. No need to show every finger. Use soft tones inspired by classic Jason, but friendly ones. Light beige for the mask, dark olive for the skin, muted green for the shirt, warm brown for the pants, and steel gray for the machete. Add small red marks for detail, but keep them clean and stylized, not gory. This tutorial was drawn with a solid black brush for the line art, but later switched to dark brown for a softer, more cartoonish feel. It helps the design look cozy and less intense, perfect for a spooky yet cute Halloween vibe. Use cell shading, just one shadow tone about 25% darker than the base. Place shadows under the mask's strap, beneath the chin, and under the machete blade. Add some small highlights on the eyes to bring life to the design. The machete should be short, wide, and slightly curved, like a toy version of the real one. And if you could turn any horror icon into a chibi, who would you pick? Maybe Freddy, Ghostface, or something completely unexpected? And here he is, our Chibi Jason Voorhees, a mix of cute, spooky, and just dangerous enough to make your sketchbook tremble. Thank you for watching and drawing along. Until the next video, keep your pencils sharp and your lights on.